Figure out what's going on, Mike. There's nothing coming about Craig.
Come on, what did I tell you? I said, if you don't want to be here, go home. No one's twisting your arm behind your back.
I have things to do inside my office, Craig, but for one thing is that when I just got told by your guy that 2 days ago someone was sick and none of us know until today.
Who was sick 2 days ago?
The Framer.
We're just finding out about that.
I'm finding out about this myself right now.
Okay, but how come you guys don't know when there's a trailer full of people? And none of us know. None of us know. Until 2 days later.
What?
That means that we're all
What are you talking about, Mike? What are you talking about?
Your man said 2 days ago the Framers were sick, so they left. And
What
they went
man?
back tested for
Who
COVID.
told you
What
that?
man?
One Framer
Mario.
left.
Okay, Mario, get over here. What did you tell him, and when did you
told him
find it
one
out?
Framer left.
What
Framer
Framer left because he had COVID?
He told me not to touch his left because it's contaminated because his guy was.
When did you hear this?
Juan Vicente.
When
On
did you
Monday.
hear this?
On Monday.
Monday.
Yeah.
And you're telling Mike now, and you never told me prior to this.
Juan Vicente should come tell you. He's a foreman. What should I tell you?
Listen,
Everybody's gotta come tell you. Leo got did Julio come tell you?
It is the foreman's responsibility to tell you guys
that's
what's
right.
going on.
Well, this is the first that I'm hearing about any of this from anyone right now.
That's why I'm upset, Craig.
Okay.
No one knows anything.
Fair enough. Except Mario. If you want to know something, go talk to Mario, because he knows.
Yeah,
You know everything,
all your
Craig.
paperwork in
You
the
know
morning.
everything, Craig.
He does all your paperwork in the morning for you guys.
That's true. That's true. The good news is everybody's getting paid right now to stand here and do nothing.
Well, the good news is too, we can sanitize the whole place very
All right,
easily.
good.
Very
Well, I'm glad we
cost-effectively.
elected you to be in charge of our protocol here.
Okay, so should I send all these guys home?
¿Ya tiene respuesta Ricardo? ¿Qué hacemos, Lalo? ¿No que esto nos va? Ah, él está hablando, dice que se van a encargar de la situación.
Okay, so well, we had a positive case already, and we've had positive cases. Well, the Framer is around the entire performance. So basically, all of the Framers.
¿Por qué no? Yo diría que lo más lógico, que no han salido infectados, que vayan a hacerse test y nada más, así como yo ya fui, ¿sí me entiendes? Sí, porque esta madre el carro que te sale para abajo, estamos infectados de muchos tipos de gripe y las tenemos adentro. Esa ya una vez.
Yeah, they need to sanitize this up here.
Well, I'm talking about.
not going there, though.
I'm talking about. So last week,
They pulled out, see, let me pull out, see what let's go through the pool here.
No quiere decir que ya te vas a morir.
James.
Estás mal informado.
Last week they had 2 or 3 confirmed cases, and now they have. We need the NU guy to come back. We need to know exactly what the status is.
He has no idea. Well, what is it you need to know? I heard what he said a minute ago.
All right. So how many people do we have confirmed positive?
Hey. Okay. You got any cases on your team? Confirmed? I need to get kind of an overview. Okay. Julio, how many confirmed you got that were on the site? One? One on the roof? All right.
But they went home.
Huh?
They went home.
They're not here now,
But
but
they
they
were
were
here.
here this week.
That's Echo.
They were here this week.
They
They're
were
not here
this
today.
week.
They went
Yes.
home.
What, Monday or Tuesday?
Not last week.
And there's 5 of them? And they all tested positive.
Nobody told anything. It's been 9 guys already positive here.
He said, but that was last week.
Yeah, nadie dijo nada. No le
It takes like 5 days for you to start showing symptoms.
There's 5 cases from them this week, Greg.
How do they think it's spreading right here?
Because of that.
I've been working here without even seeing shit.
What I'm hearing is that there were 5 guys from NU that were here this week that have tested positive.
All right, we have a total of 6 positive cases. 5 from NU and 1 from
No tanto para allá, bueno.
add.
Y todavía los oye diciendo, no, hacia acá, ya, los que están infectados se vayan, porque no, los que se
I don't speak Spanish.
Oh, you speak Spanish? It's still saying, you know, everybody who's infected, they can go home.
Well, actually, no. He has to test for positive.
We're talking about positive.
There should be a protocol. There should be somebody fucking sanitizing this shit.
Yeah, all the other jobs I have are like that.
It's not. It's okay if they don't want to protect themselves, but you gotta say, you know, hey, you gotta look for everybody else too, not just that. They keep on saying, you know, you shouldn't give a fuck now. They're infected already. They keep on working.
Now, as far as our field staff.
Hey, 6 people.
All right, guys. Come here. Not too close. Site work can continue. If you have anything to do on the site, you can stay. If you have work in the building and that's the only place you're working, you're done for the day. We're calling Safe Harbor. We're gonna sanitize the building. We're gonna spray sanitizer. We're gonna wipe everything down. And I want everybody back here tomorrow. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do the sanitation process today. Show up tomorrow for normal activities. If there's any new information that's gonna impact work tomorrow, we'll do the same thing that we're doing right now. We'll talk more about it. Sound good? All right, thank you.